Welcome to our channel. In the last sessions, we discussed creating an array with integer object. Here, integer means not int data type. Remember, integer object, that is wrapper class integer. Now, we will move to creating an array with string objects. That means we have multiple number of strings. The strings object are read and display by using array. We will discuss that program. Now, write step by step. First, to import java.util.star. Okay, fine. Next step, create one class demo array string. Suppose for my understanding, I used the name class demo array string. Now, main method public static void main string args of. Now, within this main method, first to create an object for the scanner class. Scanner C is equal to new scanner of system.in. Okay. Now, follow step by step. What is my program? Reading multiple string objects by using array. So, first step is you need to read the size of the array. Enter size of the array. Now, read some variable int n is equal to. So, you know that one. After reading one integer value, if next you are reading some string value, if the string is empty, for that purpose, you need to convert the integer also in the string format. I think you know that one. For that, we are using integer dot parse int of. Okay, sc dot next line of. What is the purpose? Even though that is an integer, we are reading in the form of a string, and by using this integer dot parse int, we are converting the string into integer. Okay. Now these are the number of elements. So here each element is a string. Now you got it? The array consists of n number of strings. N number of strings. So string, for example, a of is equal to new string of n. So in the previous example, we written as integer. A of is equal to new integer of n. Here, string. Now enter n number of elements. System dot out dot println. Enter. How many elements? Suppose plus n. Elements. Just for understanding only. That is, enter n value you given as a 5. Enter 5 elements or enter 6 elements, like this only. Now, read the elements. You know the procedure. For int I is equal to 0, I less than, what is the string array name? A dot length. Anyway, you can write n also. I less than n also, or else you can write a dot length I plus plus. Now, coming to this for loop. Within the for loop, you are reading an array of string object. F I is equal to, how to read? Not a string object. An object is created in this format. Yes or no? New string of. In this, an object is created. Here, you are passing the string. Now, you got the point? Here, what is the meaning? I will write down in comment. The meaning is adding an object to array. So, this is my string object. This object is added to array. First string is a of 0, next to a of 1, next to a of 2. Like this, an array is created with multiple string objects. Now, just to display, reading is completed. My program is reading and display. You know that one. You can use two types of loops. One is normal loop. Second one is extended for loop. You can use two types of loops. Normal loop you can use, extended for loop you can use. So what is the syntax of extended for loop? Simply for data type, variable name, colon, container name. So here the body. Simply container is an array. Container is an array. So which type of data the array consists of? That is the data type. Now each and every iteration, the variable takes one value. It automatically takes the value and then increment the value. Done automatically. See this one? For the data type, that is string, you can use any variable, colon. What is the container name? That is array. Now, system dot out dot println print k, or else you know that one, k dot to string. Anyway, if you print k also, automatically to string is attached. If you are not attached, automatically that is attached. Plus give some space just to print each and every one line by line. Here you no need to increment k value, automatically that is done. Close. SC dot close. You open the scanner, na? You need to close. This is the program. Now you got it. An array is created with multiple string objects. See, save this program. Dot Java. Go to the command prompt. Java C space dot Java. Check any errors are there? No, fine. Java space. See this one, enter the size of array. Suppose the 4. Enter the 4 elements. This is my first string. This is my second string, third string, fourth string. See this one? These are the strings. If you use the for loop, just I am reading the 4 strings and I am displaying the 4 strings. Now you got the point. That means by using array, we can read normal data values. We can read integer, not only integer. We can read wrapper class object. We can read string objects. An array is created with normal values. An array is created with the predefined wrapper class object, or an array is created with the predefined string object. Now, an array is created with user details also. Array is created with user details also. For example, I will explain one or two programs. Employee details. So what is my program? To read and display multiple employee details. Now, to read and display, suppose multiple book details. To read and display the student results, like this we can do. Now, I will explain some one or two programs. Now, I used Eclipse IDE. Instead of using normal program, I used Eclipse IDE. Anyway, you can write the program in normal notepad, not a problem. But to understand how to use IDE, I used this one in the next session. Thank you.